Hi guys, Lou here, and welcome back to Acorn Hill. It is a few days before Christmas, and like many households, our oven and our stove have been churning and turning many items, baked goods or cooked goods, that are good for Christmas. Today I wanted to share with you a new and unique take on how we celebrate Christmas here in our household. We typically have Filipino food, but every once in a while, and it has become a pattern for this year, we will be serving a few English-style dishes and treats that the English people serve. For today, I want to share with you my recipe and my technique on the classic English Christmas pudding. Traditional British Christmas pudding is a make-ahead, steamed, fruit-filled dessert which is flambéed before serving. It is a beautiful culmination of many British Christmas dinners. Pudding, as many know it, is a soft dairy-type dessert like custard, but to Britons, it simply means dessert. So Christmas pudding, therefore, is translated to Christmas dessert. As you can see from the previous clips, this recipe is simple. All it needs is a lot of dried fruit, whatever dried fruit you prefer, nuts of any kind, eggs, dairy, and breadcrumbs. This is a quintessential British treat which is steamed to cook and to reheat it and then doused with brandy. It is then lit before serving, which is a part of the Christmas tradition in Britain. It's really a fun way to end Christmas dinner. Now one may ask, why do they put brandy on Christmas pudding and then light it up? Other than it being a Christmas tradition that's been passed down through the years, one theory is that the flames represent the Passion of Christ. However, since Christmas is a celebration of Jesus' birth, that notion really doesn't make any sense. I think using brandy or any liquor or alcohol preserves the fruit, preserves the food, and allows for it to be consumed over many weeks. How about you guys? What do you think? If you have any comments or if you know the answer to this trivia, put it on the comment section below. Alright, so you've mixed the ingredients, you've steamed, you've cooked the pudding, you've unmolded it. Now it's time for the big show. Time to flambe. To flambe, carefully heat the brandy in a small pot. The idea is to heat the liquor so it's easier to light up. Make sure not to boil it though. Once the brandy is heated, light it with a match or a stove lighter, the kind with a longer nozzle. Then pour the alcohol very slowly over the pud. Wait for the flame to dissipate before serving. In this clip, I used a half a cup of brandy. It took about a half a minute to really heat it up. As soon as I started seeing fumes coming from the pan, that was the time to start flambeing. Watch your guests be amazed, take pictures, clap, sing songs, and enjoy this classic English dessert. When you slice into it, the pudding is dense, soft to the tooth, sweet, tangy, and most of all boozy, much like an authentic fruit cake or food for the gods. And since this is brandy infused, it makes sense that the sauce accompanies this dessert. A drippy brandy sauce, or some people like brandy butter. For my taste, I like the syrupy brandy cream. And there you have it, a classic English dessert that we will enjoy for the holidays. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to ACORN if you haven't already for more videos coming up. Merry Christmas from our kitchen, from our household, and we'll see you back here in ACORN Hill. Bye-bye.